All right, here we go. Galaxy S10 drop test in 3, 2, 1. Whew, oh my god. What's up and welcome to another episode of Gizmo Slip. Today we're drop testing the Galaxy S10 finally. I've been waiting to drop test this sucker for a little while now, and I know a lot of you guys have been wanting to see this drop test, and we're gonna see how many drops it can survive, and then whenever it fails, we're just gonna smash the crap out of it. And we've got a phantom slow motion camera to capture the drops and the destruction in immaculate detail. And then we also have a second Galaxy S10 that will be dropping in the Poetic cases. So a big shout out to Poetic for sponsoring this episode. Now Poetic has two main cases for the Galaxy S10. First you have the Guardian case, which has a clear design to show off how cool your Galaxy S10 is. It also has wireless charging and a TPU lining that absorbs shocks, and to top it off, it's also scratch resistant. The Revolution case features military grade protection, has a kickstand which is super handy, wireless charging, as well as a TPU lining for shock absorption and a rear bumper for additional protection. Now if you're interested in picking up either of these cases, I'll have a link in the description, and be sure to use the coupon code GizmoSlip for an additional discount. Now the really cool thing about doing the drop test like this is that we're gonna be able to see exactly how much damage the S10 takes when you don't have a case on it. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. All right, here we go. Galaxy S10 drop test in 3, 2, 1. Whew, oh my god. Okay, here comes the phones. They both hit. Boom. Boom, and there's the crack. It was on the ricochet hit. So we had the initial hit and then the flop down. That just really goes to show that it's all about the angle. You know, when it first came down, it actually didn't die. It didn't crack from that initial impact. It was when it flopped down like this. Jeez, I still can't believe so much damage from just one drop. Let's go ahead and drop these a couple more times, and then we'll go ahead and smash the crap out of this Galaxy S10. We're gonna drop them top down first in 3, 2, 1. Okay, drop number 2, here comes the phones. Boom, boom. And right there on the initial impact is when we have the glass cracking right here on the top left. So, yikes. Okay, taking a look at the phone with the case. We're looking good still. Now, I gotta say this case is holding up pretty well. We got some minor scuffs right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the S10 without a case, and I can tell already we have a whole new segment that got cracked really badly. Just take a look at that. The front is still somehow a-okay. Now for a drop on the face, my hopes are not high for this Galaxy S10. Let's go ahead and find out what happens in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, let's see. What? Holy shit. I mean, holy crap. It is just done. So we have just a little bit of the display kind of working up here in the top corner, and that's it. So only 3 drops, and every time we dropped the Galaxy S10 we had a different crack. I think this is the least successful drop test I've ever had on a Galaxy device in the last few years. I've dropped a number of them and they all seem to have survived like a lot more drops. So I don't know what the heck is happening with Galaxy S10, but it seems so freaking fragile. On the flip side, this Poetic case is doing fantastic. Before we smash the crap out of this Galaxy S10, let's go ahead and take this one in the Poetic case and drop it from about 10 feet high. Here we go, dropping it from about 10 feet in 3, 2, 1. Here they come. The hit on the bottom and the corner, and ooh, oh my gosh, the regular Galaxy S10, I could see that it got cracked even worse on impact, and you can kind of see those shards coming out. Now the kickstand, of course, does pop out again on the Poetic case, but it looks like it probably survived. Let's go ahead and check out that Galaxy S10 inside that Poetic case. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's just getting cracked so badly. Taking a look at the Galaxy S10 inside the case now. You can see that the screen is not cracked. Let's go ahead and open it up. So, just opening this up with a key really quick. Okay, let's check it out. Looks freaking brand new. This Galaxy S10 has been perfectly protected. We also tested the Guardian case with several drops from 4 feet, and it protected the Galaxy S10 perfectly as well. Okay, time for the fun part of the video. The Galaxy S10 has utterly failed this drop test. It's time to smash the crap out of it. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. So there you go, that's a drop test for the Galaxy S10. Don't forget to go check out the Poetic cases. There's a link in the description down below, along with a coupon code for 20% off. And I gotta say, overall, I'm really impressed with their durability. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Brandon, out.